Hi, this is Dave Lorenzo with RainmakerLawyer.com, and today we're going to talk about answering the most critical question in law firm marketing. In fact, it's the most critical question to you with regard to the relationships you have with your clients. And that question is, what's next? Now, when you think about that question, I want you to think about what's next for your relationship with the current client that is either sitting in front of you or whose matter you're about to conclude. Thinking about what's next helps you think of ways to deepen the relationship you have with your existing clients. Now, deepening this relationship is of critical importance because that relationship is built on a foundation of trust. You have that client. The reason that client has selected you as their lawyer is because they trust you. And the most important thing you can ever get from a client is not money, it's their trust. So, thinking about what's next for your relationship with them will lead to one of two things. First and foremost, it could lead to follow-on work. If your firm is set up to do different types of matters across a whole spectrum of legal needs, you may have uncovered something while working with the client that needs immediate attention. And you can raise that issue with the client, and that issue could essentially help you deepen your relationship and also get more work from the client. The second thing it could do is it could lead to a significant amount of referrals over a number of years. Many of our clients have clients of their own who have referred business to them for years and years and years after the matter is concluded. So even if you're a criminal defense attorney or even if you're a divorce attorney and you handle one matter for one client at one time, that trust will always be there as long as you continue to maintain it. Really, really important that you continue to cultivate and maintain the trust in the form of communication and developing the relationship and continuing to help the relationship grow and expand. As long as you do that, the client will be highly likely to refer business to you. So, how does this conversation go? Well, in the first case, if you're sitting down with the client, you should have raised the issue of future work long before you ever get to the closing meeting. It shouldn't come as a surprise to them that you've uncovered some issues that they need to address, and you can help them prioritize those issues and select which matters they need to work on next. In the case of the second, if you're very focused on moving from one transaction to the next with each client, you can address this with your client by saying, I greatly value my client relationships, as you know, and, excuse me, and I get a great deal of business from referrals. Referrals are the most important thing in the world to me because it's 10 times more likely that a client who's referred to me will become a client than someone walking in off the street. So, I want to make sure I'm always in touch with you and I can provide you with any legal services you need. Now, as you know, I only handle, and you put your practice area in there, I only handle criminal defense matters, or I only handle family law matters, but I have a network of folks that I work with who I greatly trust and value, and I'm happy to connect you with them for any legal need. So, from time to time, I'll be sending you an email just to keep in touch with you, and I want to make sure that we get together occasionally to keep in touch, and if you ever have any legal need, please feel free to reach out to me. Now, of course, you put all that in your own words, and you use these vehicles, email marketing, testimonials, sending out testimonials to your current clients, doing your newsletter on a monthly basis and sending it out to your current and past clients. You use all those vehicles and many, many more. Invitations to client appreciation events are fantastic ways to keep in touch with clients. Use all those vehicles to continue to grow and deepen your client relationships. My name is Dave Lorenzo, and if you'd like more great tips just like these, please visit me at RainmakerLawyer.com. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.